how to create Bigo Live account from your Android phone. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you need to install Bigo Live app on your device. For that, you can go to your Google Play Store, and in the search bar you have to tap and search for Bigo Live, and by doing that you'll be able to see this app. So you have to simply install it in your device and you have to open it up. So after opening, you'll be able to see there is a various options of signing in. You can also sign in with your phone number or sign in with Facebook, Google, Twitter, or if you are iPhone user, then you can also sign in with Apple. So you can choose any of the options over here. Since I have continue with my Facebook, you have to tap on the continue as option in the blue box. And after doing that, you can see my profile has been created. If you want to save the password, then you can save the password. If you don't want, then you can simply go for neighbor option. So here you have to select your gender and add your birthday. If you don't want, then you can also go for skip option, which is in the right upper corner. And here you have to simply tap on start. It is also suggested for going live. If you want to go live, then you can go for go live option, and if you don't want, then you can simply go for cancel. And in order to see your profile, you have to tap on the profile option or me option in the right bottom corner, and from over here you will be able to see your ID, friends, following, fans and all. You can also see for the message, official message and other various settings. So by doing that, you can create Bigo Live account in your Android device. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.